Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of video: recording, reproducing or broadcasting moving visual images. For example, it's a great option for anyone looking to start using video to talk over the net. The second definition of video: recording of moving images on videotape or digitally. For example, they sat down to watch a video. American pronunciation: video, video. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Video. Say, video. Video means system of recording, reproducing, or broadcasting moving visual images. Video. Video. Video origin: 1930s, from Latin videre, to see, on the pattern of audio. Practice: listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The manual also describes nationals' broadcast video products and evaluation boards. Now, repeat after me. The manual also describes nationals' broadcast video products and evaluation boards. The second practice. Photographers may select NTSC or PAL video formats for image review. Now, repeat after me. Photographers may select NTSC or PAL video formats for image review.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.